Hello, Gerald. I am Mrs. Badjang, the newly hired assigned principal of your alma mater, Bayabas National High School. We are very proud of you for being a very good, diligent student in this school, as what they have told me about you. Now, today is your moment of triumph after of 4 or 5 years of hard work. Now, congratulations, Gerald. Hopefully, we will meet here in your in this school this coming graduation. The whole school and faculties and staff and studentry of Bayabas National High School extended their congratulations for having graduated in your PMA at Baguio City. Again, my congratulations.